The Layer Swipe tool can be opened by selecting the Layer Swipe option from the Tools drop-down menu. Once opened, the Layer Swipe window can be repositioned anywhere on the screen. First, select the swipe direction from the drop-down menu. The default swipe direction is horizontal, which means the layers are swiped from left to right. If the direction is set to vertical, the layers are swiped from top to bottom. Below the swipe direction is a list of map layers that are currently visible on the map. Click the checkbox next to the layer to indicate its swipe visibility. You may select leading, trailing, or both. If the leading option is checked, the layer will appear on the top or left side. If the trailing option is checked, the layer appears on the right or bottom side. If both checkboxes are checked, the layer will be visible on both sides. Once you have chosen which layers you want to be swiped, click the Start Stop Swipe button. An adjustable bar will appear in the middle of the screen, and this bar can be moved from side to side. As the adjuster bar is moved, you will notice that the layers will hide or reveal themselves. To turn off swiping, click the Start Stop Swipe button again, or click the X button in the top right corner of the tool window.